Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can insert images into Photopea, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I have a image already opened, and I have just opened it as any other project. As you can see, I have only one layer, and that layer is the background. The way I open this is just going into File and into Open, or opening it up as I would any other project on the title screen, and then just open up this image. This is a screenshot of a Photopea, whatever it's called, template, or whatever you want to call it. And let's say I want to insert an image into here. The way I would do this is very simple. You do not need to right click or do anything. It is a bit unintuitive than in other cases in other software. I've heard that you can just take the images from the files and drag them and drop them. However, I'm not sure if that works or if that just opens up a new project. What you can do is go into File and click Open in Place. And once you click that, then select whatever image you would like. Let's just select this image of a dog. And once you do that, you can resize it, you can manipulate it however you want. And as you can see, it created a completely new layer with that image, and you can manipulate it however you would like. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.